There is a statement rikubuda panguva inoitendera pasocial media resuspected and kozwa yatobuda ikataura ikati aiwa this statement riri kunzi rabva kune timu aiwa tajamuka vanhu varimo muthe ruling party Zanu PF vanouya vachipraisa maprotests akaitwa nezuro. Sana pena mashoko anobuda nyorwa panapa aiwa chimbi ndokuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa aiwa toenda paendo yekozwa vanoposta this picture ramuona rakanzi March 31 peaceful protest the beginning of the end. Here it remind kuti this statement rikuzi rabva kune team Tajamuka. Panapa manobuda nyorwa muchinzi together we embarked on a non-violent and peaceful process to demonstrate to Mr. Mnangagwa and his oligarchs our resolve to oppose and reject his attempts to amend the constitution in order to remain in office beyond his constitutional limit in 2028. We showed courage, unity, determination. We expressed ourselves by staying at home, avoiding unnecessary confrontation, but pitching Mr. Mnangagwa's regime very hard. The stay away was a massive success, with the reports of total standstill in all major cities. It was a bold statement to intent to oppose 2030 agenda and express our outrage against corruption by Mr. Mnangagwa and his close oligarchs. Our display against unjust taxes, arrest, persecution of all those perceived to be opposed to Mr. Mnangagwa's brutal and corrupt rule. We commend our security forces for demonstrating patriotism and professionalism and for supporting peaceful efforts to defend and protect the Constitution. There were a few misguided and overzealous elements overall. However, our security forces acted with restraint and utmost credence. We salute you. The 31st of March 2025 marks the beginning of the end of all the suffering we have been subjected to. A new great Zimbabwe for all of us, where we will all have equal and fair opportunities, is possible in our lifetime. Wanyara vachiti hashtag we the citizens, hashtag Tajamuka, hashtag is a revolution, hashtag no to 2030, hashtag people power. Ndio mashoko anobuda nyokwa panapa nepane this statement rikuzi aiwa rabva kune team Tajamuka aiwa vakomana varimo internal varimo muthe regime zvavo varika vachipresa maprotest akaitwa nezuro vachiti aiwa it is just the beginning of the end. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitwa ichi. Pinda comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.